Okay, the goal of this video is to find sine of u over 2 if we are given a cosine of simply u instead of u over 2. All right, and we're also given that u is in quadrant 4. So to do this, I'm going to use the formula for the half angle formula for sine, where it's equal to plus or minus the square root of 1 minus cosine of our angle, all divided by 2. So as we get going on this, it's pretty nice that they gave us cosine of u from the very beginning. So to get sine of u over 2, we just need to plug into this formula. For the time being, I'm going to leave off the plus and minus out in front. We'll discuss if it's going to be positive or negative in just a second. All right, so I simply substituted into our formula, given the cosine value. All right, now let's discuss, should it be positive or negative out in front? All right, because our u is in quadrant 4, we can say that that is going to be between 270 degrees and 360 degrees. But we're not dealing with just u in this. We're trying to find sine of u over 2. So what we can do is we can divide each one of these pieces by 2. So 135 degrees is less than u over 2 is less than 180 degrees. This firmly places u over 2 in the second quadrant, all right, because the second quadrant goes from 90 degrees to 180 degrees. So u over 2 is in quadrant 2. All right, so because we're in quadrant 2, we have to kind of think to ourselves, all students take calculus, where in quadrant 2, sine is going to be positive. Therefore, this is going to give us a positive result overall. Now, we could go ahead and do a little bit of reducing down and get an answer for this. We can do 1 minus 0.166 is going to be 0.834 divided by 2. If we divide that by 2, and a nice exact answer is 0.417 underneath here. And then we could take the square root of this if we wanted to. That'll give us approximately 0.645755. All right, hope this helps out on using the half angle formula for sine, given a cosine of the whole angle. All right, good luck to you.